Thank you for choosing Robot-Coupe. This is a training video explaining the essential steps for the assembly and operations of your Blixer. This video is suitable for Blixer 7 and Blixer 7 VV. Assembly, Blixer attachment. Insert the seal into the lid. Insert the bowl scraper into the scraper arm. Insert the lid scrapers into the scraper arm. Insert the scraper arm into the lid and connect with the handle. Push together and twist to lock. Place the bowl on the base and turn anti-clockwise. Insert the blade. Place on the lid, large tab at the front and turn anti-clockwise. Select speed from 300 to 3,500 round per minute, on button. For two speeds models, speed 1, 1,500 rounds per minute for 50 Hz machine and 1,800 rounds per minute for 60 Hz machine. Speed 2, 3,000 round per minute for 50 Hz machine and 3,600 round per minute for 60 Hz machine. Use the scraper arm during use. Off button. Pulse button. Controls, timer function. Press on button for counting upwards. Press plus and minus together to reset time. Select required time using plus and minus. Press on button to start countdown. Watch next chapter for accessories.